Okay, so let's first create our SAP. I wanted to link my YouTube to my Facebook. So here on the trigger, we will choose the YouTube, then new video in my channel, then this is my YouTube account. So I have to get my, then just continue. Copy our channel ID. Let's paste it and continue. So let's go with, and then choose the Facebook page, choose an event, create page post. Let's sign up our Facebook, log in, continue, choose our page, continue, save, then get it. Okay, then we will see it here, our Facebook. Then continue. Let's choose the value. Or okay, let's try. So I'm going to create, upload the video. So let's try this. For example, this is my automation. Automation tutorial. That's not made for kids. Okay, so then watch your video. So next, then we will see. We will try if we can see this in our Facebook. So let's wait for our video. Hi there, welcome to. Thank you for watching. By the way, this is my SAP tutorial. Thank you. Okay.